Good morning. I have a few axe heads that I want to give away. However, they're pretty well used up. And they're a little thick. So now that I have drift for my axe size, I think what I'm going to do is stick these in the forge, hammer them back out, then the bit, on one of them anyway, and maybe get it looking something about that size and shape again. And I'll have a little giveaway for you. You'll have a semi-custom axe. Enjoy it. Alright, well, I finished it up. It's all done. It's been reforged and hardened and tempered, ground, sharpened and polished. The eye's been redrifted and it's good to go. Good luck, guys.